Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss day 3 of quarter 4 science 8 about acceleration. This is week 1, uniform versus non-uniform acceleration. Objectives: compare uniform and non-uniform acceleration using examples. Work cooperatively in a group activity and create a group model of accelerating motion. For motivational activity, okay, look at this example. An athlete increases her speed as shown. In 0 time, that is, the velocity is meter per second. After 1 second, it increases to 4.5 meter per second. And after 2 seconds, 6. Or every second, nadadagdagan po siya ng 1.5 meter per second na velocity. The question is the athlete's change in velocity constant? Okay, the answer is yes. Each second adds 1.5 meter per second. What type of acceleration is shown? Uniform acceleration. Okay, types of acceleration. Acceleration tells us how quickly an object's velocity changes. Velocity itself is the speed of an object in a given direction. So, acceleration can occur when an object, ito yung tatlong condition po. Number 1 is speeds up, number 2 is slows down or deceleration or negative acceleration. Yung speeds up is positive acceleration. Changes direction. Kahit pa permanente yung kanyang velocity, hindi bumagal, hindi bumilis, but the direction changes, it has acceleration. Okay, acceleration can be uniform or non-uniform depending on how the velocity changes over time. When we say uniform acceleration, when an object's velocity changes by the same amount every second, the acceleration is called uniform. Kagaya ng example kanina, every second, nadadagdagan ng 1.5 meter per second. So, constant yung kanyang pag-increase. That is uniform. Examples, a car increasing speed steadily from 0 meter per second to 20 meter per second in 10 seconds. A freely falling object in a vacuum ignoring a resistance or itinatawag natin na acceleration due to gravity. An elevator moving upward at a steady acceleration. Okay, when an object's, ito naman, non-uniform acceleration. When an object's velocity changes by different amounts in each second, the acceleration is non-uniform. Yun, kapag hindi permanente yung pagdagdag, pagbawas niya, that is non-uniform acceleration. Examples, a traffic jam, a car speeds up, slows down, and stops unpredictably. A bicycle rider pedaling at a regular speed while going uphill and downhill. Okay, a ball bouncing on the ground, speed changes unevenly after each bounce. Okay, comparing uniform and non-uniform acceleration. Okay, in terms of velocity change, ang uniform, same each second. O, kada segundo nadadagdagan ng same amount. Kapag naman non-uniform acceleration, different each second, different velocity change. Okay, in terms of graph on velocity and time, kapag uniform acceleration, the graph is a straight line. Kapag non-uniform acceleration, curve or irregular line. Examples of uniform acceleration, free fall and a steady car. Non-uniform, traffic, bouncing ball. Okay, feeling, smooth push. Sa non-uniform acceleration, uneven or jerky.